Good morning, everyone. So, actually, I think it's more good afternoon, but same difference. So, we got that Sherman Forklift out here. I got it sitting out by the road for sale. And I just thought I'd do a video of it and of just a walk around to see if you guys think it's any good. Sorry, there's going to be some traffic noise. I'm standing by the road, but just to see if you guys, if it's anything you'd be interested in, maybe you could shoot me a message or an email. I guess it would be on Facebook, YouTube. My email address should be on there. So if not, I'll post it in the description of this video. But I just thought I'd do a quick walk around of it, start it up, run the forks up and down, and just show you that it's a really good forklift. I just turned the gas on before the video just to make sure that was on, so I didn't have to fight with that. And put the switch on. Actually, I'm going to go around to the other side because the choke's over there. And to do it one-handed will be kind of a pain. So, actually, I'm going to set you right up here. Somewhere. There we go. Started in 3 weeks now, and it just fired right up. I still got her choked a little bit because it's kind of cold and it's rainy. Just kind of a nasty day here in New York. So, but as you can see, she did fire right up. This Ford's always been a pretty good runner. Carburetor does drip a little bit, so we always just shut the gas off. It runs too good to take it apart, in our opinion. But she fired right up. The boom or mast works just fine. She's tipping back right there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. And then going up, she's a little bit on the slow side when it's cold like it is. I got my hand on the lever pushing her up. Like I said, she's a little slow when it's cold. Gonna bump her up a little bit. There we go. Like I said, it hasn't been ran in 3 weeks easily. She's going up, and it's a big cylinder, so she's slow. And especially it's gotten down 20 degrees every night, so the oil's not warming up at all in her. I'll run her quite a ways. Oh, whoops. It's crushing my for sale sign. Let me just grab. I don't want to wreck my sign. I'm just going to run her all the way up for you. Start using it, she does go a hell of a lot faster. In the middle of July, I didn't have no problems with it. Out here by the road to get everybody's attention as they drive by and see a forklift going up. She's still going, and you can see she's getting up there. That's not even full extended yet. We're still going up. So a lot of people are asking how high it goes, and that's pretty much full way up. I am 5'9", 5'10" on a good day, and my hand reaching up there, I'm still probably 2, if not 3 feet away from the fork. So it goes way the hell up. Here, I'll back up there so you can see her. That's up there. The load stuff. I'll set her back down a little bit, and I'll just take her for a quick little ride around for you. Coming down nice and easy. Here, we just bend it out of the way because otherwise it was touching and kind of annoying on your hand. This is just a loop that's looped inside. So it's like, I'm assuming that this forklift would have had a slidable fork frame or slidable forks, whatever. But over the years, who knows what happened, if that got changed or not. So that's just looped inside there. But what our plan was we were going to use it as a wood splitter, but found a different tractor that was easier to do it with, so that's what we did. Everybody knows how it goes with buying different stuff for stuff you thought you were going to use. So, oh, my fat leg's hitting the throttle. So it's got your typical forward 4-speed, but it runs in reverse. So I'm going to shift it over and back, which would be first gear, and we're going to go forward or backwards. And then I'm going to go to reverse, which is over and back. See, she's going to go backwards now, because that forward reverser we have just running, so it's in reverse, so we just use the forward 4-speed. That's just a floor pan rattling there. See? That's just a floor pan. But yeah, here, I'm going to put her up into, let's see, second. And we'll go for a little drive up the road, I guess. Just so I can prove to you guys she does run real good. I'm just going to tip the mast back a little bit more. Oh, what the heck, I'll do third. It's kind of awkward to drive because you're kind of going backwards, but it just is a pretty good little unit for somebody to try to use. Yeah, it has its quirks, it's old, but you could definitely use it every day if you wanted to. But I would say it's a good collector item too, because how many of these Sherman forklifts can be left? I don't even know how many they made. But if somebody does want it more than I do, it's for sale. I'm just taking her up the road nice and easy here. I'm going to do a swing around. See how there's nothing coming right this. There's a truck coming. Just runs nice. There's going to be a truck that's passing us, but oh well. It's a little harder to steer because you're going the wrong way, it seems like. And every time you turn it, it's like different. I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. If you've ran a forklift before, I guess you're going to think I'm an idiot because it's normal for you, but. And you can hear her, she does not hardly skip a beat. She just kind of purrs along. That was third gear right here, so get her parked back in her track. her down a little bit and squeeze my skinny figure off here while it's running. Doesn't leak a ton. I mean, what more can you ask for? She's just an old forklift. So, well, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Again, like I said, if you're interested in it, please send me an email. I'll do more videos about it if you're really interested in it, or anything like that. I could deliver it if you live a little ways away and don't want to drive that far. I could most certainly deliver it. That's no big deal. So, these were like welded on. Let me show you. Ugh, heavier than it looks when you have your hand going the wrong way. See, they added onto the fork with a piece of C-channel. They added a good 6 to 8 inches, and watch it. So, the forks are a little bit bigger and wider than when they were originally, but actually I found it to be a little bit nicer with a wider fork on it. So, it's just a good running unit. I mean, you can hear her just purring. Tranny shift's good. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Got any more questions about it, you can send me an email. That will be in the description or somewhere. I'll have my email address. And yeah, have a good one.